Hello, hello. Welcome to Q's Corner and also Craft Divas and etc. on my Patreon. So today we're going to do, yesterday I did a chip bag today. We're going to do water bottle label. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm still doing this super easy. All right, so let's see what we're going to do here. Go ahead and get this started. Now with the water bottle labels, you can put a barcode on it if you want to. You can put nutrition facts if you want. Totally up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there. And let's see. All right, so when you're trying to highlight more than one thing, hit Control and click on it so you can get. I'm gonna do this. I got Storming. All right. So first, put these right here, and I'm just gonna do this background. The red lines be your guide. And I should have put real life. Use her. Don't put them on there as well. Her on his side. Oh, gotta get the barcode on it. Now you can put the nutrition fact on here as well because the nutrition fact is on the water bottles. Make it small and kind of fit it there. Send it near front. Send the nutrition label backwards. Do that or push her over. So do that. And then write whatever you want on it. So go here. Go say Move. Red line, let me know that I'm in the middle. And voila, you can leave it like that. You can add more things to it. I have done where I have added like a little border on them as well to the top or the bottom. So I want to do like this, like a little border, and do um, blue. And do that as well. I just want to side that look even. Okay, now it's even. I'm gonna take that away. So then I want to actually select all, and group this together. Bring that down a little bit, and then make this a little bit smaller. And voila, there you go. Your water bottle label. Easy peasy. Something simple, but something nice. You add the more items if you want, whatever you want to add. Totally up to you. And that goes for any template. Um, let's see what else I can do. With the chip bag, that's the water bottle label. Um, I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I'm doing for the theme, so I'll leave that like that for now, and um, I'll be on tomorrow with another template to show you guys. So thank you very much for watching. This was Q's Corner, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Good night.